Hey guys, it's Awilda here. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a quick little cleaning of my dining room, so I do hope you enjoy. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel and you like DIYs, crafts, and motivational videos, then definitely hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos I post. And yeah, let's get started with the cleaning. As you can see, my kitchen also needs a cleaning. I am going to be recording that and sharing with you in a future video. I just want to focus this video on the dining room and kind of tidying that up a little bit. And you'll see some boxes and whatnot in the way. That's because we just got back from doing a little bit of shopping at BJ's, and I got some bulk items for the household. And that's where you see such a huge clutter in my kitchen. One of the things I used to do as a little girl was to help my mother clean the furniture. And what we would do was to take our chairs and flip them over so that we can also clean the legs, and it'll make it easier for us to sweep them off the floors because the chairs are kind of flipped onto the table. Now this is something that I don't recommend obviously if you have a chair with arms, but I do find it very useful if your chairs are light enough to put on the table to do that. And then obviously afterwards you'd have to wipe your tables down from all the dirt and dust, but you're cleaning anyway, so why not? So as you can see here, I'm re-wiping down the tables. I know that Ava already cleaned the table for me, but because I put my chairs over and dusted them, I just want to make sure that they're clean and not have any residue on them. So this is why I'm re-wiping them down. Other than that, I would have not done this, but obviously I needed to because my chairs were dirty. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, like I said earlier, please consider subscribing. It would truly mean a lot to me to have you join this beautiful YouTube family. Until next time guys, I hope you all have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!